All right, dear friends, if you're watching this video, it's because you decided to take the challenge of doing a little bit more difficult sums and subtractions. So I'm just going to show you how to use this dice, this online dice that we have, to make maybe more challenging sums and subtractions, okay? So right now I'm going to show you. Then we're going to be writing the number sentence, and then we're going to use the number line, which is the one right here, okay? All right. And we are going to be showing you how to use it. You have already seen this before in a classroom, right? We have different strategies. We use the abacus, we use the 10 frames, we use the number line. This video is not about strategies, okay? We're gonna be maybe doing something like that for next week. What about that? This time we're only using the number line. I might not be using this one here because it has only 20 spaces and we're gonna need more than that probably. But I'm going to be writing one here so you can see how I do it and what the idea of jumping is about. Jumping forward or backward is about, okay? All right, so first of all, I'm gonna share my screen with you and I'm gonna show you how to use the online dice better, okay? So right here, first of all, friends, you're gonna look at something that looks like this, okay? It looks like this at the very beginning. 1 second. Okay, you see? These are all the options of dice that you have. So we are going to be choosing the dice that we want here. I want only one dice for now. We don't want super big challenges. We need to go step by step. And then we can even choose the number of faces. Who remembers what faces are? Yes, 3D shapes. And remember that the normal dice, the one that we usually see, has only 6 faces because it has the shape of a cube. So cubes have six faces. This dice has 6 faces. Right now, we're going to choose the one that has 20 faces, okay? So we can have a challenge. All right, we're going to roll the dice. Remember that the number is always also showed here in case you don't really get which one is showing there. I'm gonna write my number sentence here. 10, okay? And then, friends, we're gonna choose again the normal dice, the one that has 6 faces. And we're gonna roll it. 2, so 10 plus 2. Okay, so remember that we were doing these number sentences in the classroom with Miss Rita and Miss Vicky. It was a little bit tricky. Sometimes some of you were writing the equal in different places, but remember that we need a number plus number and then equal, okay? This is a very simple number sentence. I'm going to stop sharing my screen with you. And I'm gonna show you how to do this one. We can actually use this number line. I'm gonna show you how, but right now I'm gonna do it here so you can do it at home. So I have 10 and I'm gonna start counting from 10. So we have to jump 2 times. So I'm gonna make it somehow like a number line here. Yeah, something that looks similar to this. I'm gonna write 10 here. And I'm going to remember to jump 2 times. You see, because we have 10 plus 2. I'm gonna jump 2 times. I don't count this time because this is where the number that I have here is. 1, 2. 1, 2, right? The number of times that I need to jump. Now we're gonna start counting from 11. 11, which number goes next? Which number goes after? Remember when we were practicing that? After 10, 10, 11, 12, 10 plus 2, 12. All right? There you go. That's how we can do our sums, okay? All right? You can do it with this one too, because it was smaller, you see? 10, and then we jump 2 times. 10, 11, 12. All right, friends? So that's how you can make your number sentences, and that's how you can do sums with using the number line. Now, I would like to do a subtraction with you. so you can see an example of a subtraction, okay? All right, what I usually like to do is that when we are doing sums, this is a little bit challenging, but again, if you are watching this video, it's because you want a challenge, okay? So if we're doing sums, we start with the bigger number, the bigger dice, the one that has 20 faces, and then we choose to roll the one that has 6 faces. Now that we're doing a subtraction, we're going to choose to start with the one that has 6 faces, and then we're going to use the one that has 20 faces, okay? I'm gonna share again my screen with you. So there's one in here. I'm sorry, no, we're gonna start with the big one. We're gonna start with the big one, okay. There you go, big one. Okay, that's not a very big number. It's just number 9. You see here, it was a little bit confusing to understand. If it has the dot down here, it's because it's number 9, and if it has it and the other way around, it's because it's number 6. You can see it here, it's number 9. So I'm going to put this here, number 9 less. I'm gonna use the I'm gonna use the one that has less faces, 6 faces, and I'm going to roll it here. Ooh, number 1. So friends, okay, I'm gonna stop sharing here. 9 minus 1 equal. Again, friends, we can use the number line here, or you can draw or write it like Miss Vicky did. We're gonna use this one here, now that we have it. 9 minus 1, okay? We don't have to jump forward, but we have to jump backwards. And how many times do we have to jump backwards from 9? Once, only one time. So in here, we have number 9, and we're going to jump once backwards. 1. What number do we have there? 8. So 9 minus 1, 8. There you go, friends. So again, if you were watching this video, it's because you wanted a challenge. And I know that many of you can do these sums and these subtractions. So have fun with addition and subtraction, and I hope that I will see you soon. If you would like to share some videos of you doing this tricky sums or subtractions, please do so, or send me a photo, whatever you want. Have fun, and I'll see you soon.